Monty? Yeah, Mommy's back from gym. Yeah, I just came back from my gym. Not gym, workout on the bike. Monty. So this is gonna be transformation from workout shoes, which I have my sneakers. I have my sneakers. Monty, hi baby. My sneakers, some socks, my black tights or leggings, whatever you call it. And I've got on a sweatshirt and yeah, but let's transform this workout outfit in like a running errands outfit. And let's get to it, because from this you can go from this to that. Yeah, let's get to it. He's everywhere. Hey baby, you're everywhere, right? Yeah, let's get going. Okay, this is my closet. And this is, let's say, half of the things that I have now. So I have all my jackets here, and I love this. I really love this. Wait, hang on, because I'm gonna do something. And this is half of what I have now. But I'm gonna show you some pretty cool. This is my, this dress. I didn't wear the dress. I did not wear this dress. Isn't it cool? I wanna wear it. I might transform that outfit that I was wearing with this dress, and you'll see what's gonna come up. Really something pretty cool. You can pair it. I don't know. I'm gonna pair it with this. Throw on or pair it with the jacket. I'll wear this. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to put this and this together. It's going to look pretty cool. You might think it looks strange or crazy, but this is going to look pretty cool. So, and we are going to use, it's chilly outside, it's snowy outside, and I'm also going to pair it with this. So we're going to pair all of this together, and you're going to see how cool it's going to look. And I'm keeping the, yeah, hold on. So this is the dress, and we're gonna put this little, it's a vest, and okay, I can't see anything. Put this, because it's chilly outside, it's snowy outside, and it's gonna look pretty cool with the dress because it matches. You see, it matches, and that's it. Let my hair like that. I don't have any makeup on whatsoever. And that's it. So you can transform it in something cute. I'm still wearing the black leggings. So let's do this. Pair it with this. And that's what I'm gonna do. So let's put on the boots here. And there. So now, let's check out the whole outfit because I can't see anything. And if you're still feeling a little bit chilly, because it is cold, but you're going to a fancy place, so I will pair it with a blazer. Yeah. Let's see how this works with the blazer. I don't know how it's going to work. Well, let's try. I don't know. There you go. I haven't seen the outfit yet, so let's check it out. Okay. I wasn't seeing anything. Okay, so I paired it with the booties. These boots are so, that has this little tassel here, if you can see it. Still have on the leggings that I was working out. So I put on the dress, put on that vest, put on the scarf. It matches the red here of the pattern. You see how cool this pattern is? It's blue, black, it's beautiful, it's gorgeous. So there you go. Monty, what do you think, baby? I think it looks pretty cool. So there's an outfit of the day that you can go from gym to work. You can go to a doctor's office. You can go anywhere you want. It's pretty cool. It's so nice. It's nice. I really, really, really like it. Look at that. So there you go. Outfit of the day. Booties with still my workout socks, a dress, a vest, a scarf, and a blazer. There you go. So I'm going to check you out in my next video. I'm going to put on some makeup and I'm going to run my errands. And I'll see you in my next video, okay? Yeah, I'm back to my workout. I'm back to my workout. Back to my workout. Do my workout. And there's nobody here. That's why I like it. I like a fight over the treadmill. See the treadmill? I don't like the bike. I like the treadmill. So let's get moving. Let's get walking because we're going to start the workout all over again. Let's get to it.